Just like you, if you're a woman at home, comedian Vicki Kelleher, she's one busy lady between auditions, working, and raising her 5-year-old son. Yearly checkups are the last thing on her mind, so we sent her on a mission. 3 medical exams in one day. Her first exam is one that almost everyone forgets to get.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey,
How are you?
Dr. Lancer.
Vicky.
When was the last time you saw a skin doctor?
I've never seen a skin doctor. What was I thinking?
Yeah, what were you thinking? Okay, let me see the top of your head here. I want to take a look to make sure there are no funny lumps, bumps, cysts, moles, or anything unusual.
Feel like a monkey.
When your hair's been messed up by a dermatologist, you know he's been paying attention to detail.
Nice, I like it.
Now, I also want to look behind the ears because I want to see the sun-exposed versus the non-sun-exposed skin. Little tiny moles right here, the little tiny moles right here, but they're perfectly normal. If something appears out of the blue, it needs to be looked at by a skin doctor. Okay, now you know you always check the feet. Now let's see if you're talented. Can you spread those toes by yourself? Oh, look at that, see?
I knew my gymnastics training would come in handy.
Yeah, you see, you're very talented. You currently are lucky in that I don't see anything that's a problem.
Sweet.
The moles are normal, the skin's great.
Okay.
You're in very good shape.
The first on our list of 3 medical exams you should have every year is a head-to-toe skin exam.
Head to toe. And really head
Head
to
to
toe.
toe.
Like,
Exactly.
Yeah.
And we have Dr. Lancer.
Yeah.
So tell us exactly what you did and what the viewers out there need to know about their skin.
Most people don't realize that they should get a skin exam from top to bottom once a year.
Most women are like, just like me, when I come into your office, I want to stay young. How do I stay young? How do I stay young? But it really should be, there's so much, your skin is an organ, right? So you have to look
I
at
never
it.
even thought about it. I honestly thought you just got it if you had problems. I didn't know you went.
See, Doctor, this is a big point. A lot of women go in and get some type of skincare, Botox, facials. They see an esthetician. Maybe they're getting some filler, whatever. But that's not the same about what we're talking about here. And when you say head to toe, that's exactly what you mean.
If you're getting some cosmetic, facial treatment, body wrap, some spa treatment, a little filler, a little this, a little that, it's not a skin exam.
Okay. Do you want to show us what we need to look for to differentiate
Sure.
a good mole, a good freckle versus something we should be concerned about?
Let me give you an example. There's a very, very uniform nature to the surrounding border. So this is what we call a normal congenital nevus, meaning it's been there a long time. You watch it, keep track of it, because it can change. The one over here has a number of irregularities. You see, this border has a very irregular, sort of blotchy, nondescript outline. But you also lose this print of the skin. It gets muddled in between. So here you have a color problem and you have a textural problem. And that is a very big issue to look into. These are a mandatory biopsy issue.
So our message here is you need to see your dermatologist once a year, especially if you're getting sun, especially if you're living in areas like Southern California where you are getting sun exposure. You look like you take pretty good care of your skin.
I
with
think so.
Sunscreen.
I
That's
try.
very important, right?
And also women of color, too.
It has to become a daily habit, like dental hygiene is a daily habit. Showering is a daily habit. Skin care is a daily event. And it is true that with good cosmetic skin care thinking, you can get enough care to find something early enough before it requires something seriously major.
If you think you know every medical exam you need to have every year, well, think again. Up next, the medical exam that you should make an appointment for by the end of this show.